When deciding on the best automotive paint for refinishing a car, there are many factors to consider. Obviously, the aesthetic appeal is of utmost importance, but other factors needing consideration include the application process, car paint drying time, potential health hazards, and automotive base coat paint and finishing options. The best car paints will stand up to the elements, be easy to apply, and be easy to match to your car's color. 1. Dupli Color Paint Shop Finish System. This 1-quart can of paint lacquer comes ready for use in a sprayer. You can buy it in a single can or a 2-pack for good measure. There are 20 colors to choose from to ensure you can at least get close to the shade of your liking. Once applied, you can wet sand the paint easily. Because this is spray paint, it doesn't require any mixing or reducing before you use it. There's also no recoat window, which means you can reapply at any time. The paint is easy to work with, goes on smooth, and you can save whatever you have left over for future use. 2. Restoration Shop Jet Black Acrylic Enamel. Restoration Shop's paint line certainly grabs the attention of many DIYers. This particular offering sits at a competitive price point, and it's a single-stage paint that's easy to work with. On top of that, this package includes the strainers and mixing sticks you need to get rolling. As for application, it goes on nice and easy, and the jet black finish is certainly impressive for the price range. 3. Rust-Oleum 252468. The Rust-Oleum 252469 car paint is enamel-based and comes in a 12.0 ounces spray paint can for easy application. For a professional quality paint job, this auto paint features a wide spray nozzle, making application a breeze. It also comes in at around $10 per can, which is an unbeatable bargain for spray paints. 4. VHT Real Red Brake Caliper Paint. VHT's caliper paint might not be the first thing that comes to mind when talking about auto paint, but it is an essential part of any project. Coming from experience, VHT's part-specific paint is a fantastic way to spruce up any project. It's affordable, easy to apply, and will last an exceptionally long time when applied correctly. This red caliper paint is also a great way to get the performance look many are after, at least until they save up for the big breaks thereafter. 5. POR 15 Rust Preventive Coating. You can say goodbye to rust with the 45101 Preventive Coating from POR 15, which provides a durable, rock-hard finish that won't crack, peel, or chip. Applies easily with a cheap bristle brush. Flows to a smooth finish. Once it's set, nothing is getting through. 6. Rust Bullet Car Paint for professionals, or anyone looking to take on bigger jobs. This Rust Bullet 5-gallon rust preventive protective coating which is UV resistant and doesn't require a top coat. It glides on easily and provides a smooth finish when applied straight on painted or unpainted, and even rusty surfaces.